Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Simulations Club. This simulation explains the concept of sharing of the load by two batteries. Though the simulation is very simple, but through this simulation I will explain you a very important engineering concept. To explain the concept, let us consider a simple circuit supplying two batteries supplying the load. Okay, so circuit will be like this. This is the one battery, this is another battery supplying the load. Okay, let this battery be of 12 volt and this battery be of 9 volt and load be of 10 ohm. Okay, and we want to calculate the load shared by two batteries. At first glance, this example seems to be very simple, and for simulation it is a general tendency to replace these batteries by simple DC source. Okay, so anybody may, this is a pitfall actually, and I am going to explain that. You may replace DC source from Simulink. Similarly, you may replace this battery too by voltage source from Simulink. What is the problem here? I will explain you. Now try to write the mesh equation. Let this be the current I1 and this be the current I2 supplied by these two batteries. So, and this is the reference. So here this is the increase in voltage, therefore 12 minus I1 plus I2, I1 plus I2 into 10, this drop equal to 0. And the second equation is 9 minus again I1 plus I2, I1 plus I2 into 10 equal to 0. So though there are two equations, but there is no solution for this equation, because at one time we are getting I1 plus I2 equal to 1.2 from this equation, and from this equation we are getting I1 plus I2 equal to 0.9. So there may be many values of I1 and I2 which satisfy, there is no value, though there is no value of I1 and I2 which satisfies both the equation. So this is the problem. Why it is happening? That is the question. Because, and MATLAB too, when you try to simulate this in MATLAB or Simulink, it will throw error. Why so? Because we are not considering the internal resistance of the battery. For every battery, whatever may be the battery, for example, all types of batteries, such all types of batteries, they should have some internal resistance while supplying the voltage, and you can get more information about such internal resistance through web. Go to ChatGPT, go to web, collect the information about the what is the internal resistance of different types of batteries. Okay, without internal resistance there is no battery. Okay, so we will revise our model to this. Okay, now it will be a correct model. It will be no correct model, that is having the internal resistance. This 12 volt battery is having 2 ohm internal resistance, and this 9 volt battery let having 1 ohm internal resistance. And now we can write the equations correctly. That is 12 minus twice I1 minus I1 plus I2 equal to 10 equal to 0 into 10 equal to 0, and 9 minus I2 minus I1 plus I2. 9, this is increase in voltage, 9 minus I2 multiplied by 1 minus I1 plus I2, current flowing through this, I1 plus I2 multiplied by 10. Again we are coming to same point, same potential. That means there is no potential difference, so it is equal to 0. And thus we will get two different simultaneous equation in two variable, and there is a definitely solution for this simultaneous equation. After solving this simultaneous equation, we get I1 equal to 1.3125 and I2 equal to minus 0.375. While connecting the current sensor, we need to account for the proper polarity so that we will get the same result. Okay, we will connect one ammeter, one current sensor here, and we will connect one current sensor here in simulation. The current sensor connected here will show the result. Which result? This is the I1 plus I2. That is I1 plus I2 equal to 0.9375. Now from here we will go to simulation. Thank you very much.